Kaboom! Welcome back, everybody. This is a compilation of all the explosions we did over the winter. I hope you enjoy it. Most of these explosions were done with Tannerite. One was done with Tannerite and propane. And we did one even with brake fluid and an arrow. Well, my friend Chuck did that one. This one here was done with just Tannerite over the ice on the swamp, which blew a nice little hole in the ice in about 3 feet of water. And what happened is the explosion caused the muck at the bottom of the swamp to come up through the hole and made it look like a massive hole, but it's really not that big of a hole. It's right through about 8 inches of ice. Now, our friend Mark here stuck his foot down into the hole just to see how deep or how thick the ice was. And then he stuck a stick in there just to see how deep the water was. And it blew a hole right through 8 inches of ice with no problem. Now this is where we shot the arrow, which exploded the brake fluid, which was a pretty nice fireball, but not a huge explosion. And enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you. Hold on. Come on. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
I got the whole thing. That was incredible!
Hey!
Wow! It blew, Todd. The whole thing blew. All right.